Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is Julian from Kaphaphysio. Kaphaphysio is a manufacturer of physiotherapy machines. Today I would like to show you our latest focus shockwave therapy machines. The principle of focus shockwave is discharge high voltage to electromagnetic coil. Inside of the shockwave handle, it discharge high voltage to electromagnetic coil. And here's electromagnetic coil to form an electromagnetic wave into water. It will generate focus shockwave. That is the principle of focus shockwave therapy. It has 4 pages: home page, body page, therapy page, and setting page. Home page, you can see our EMfocus logos on the machine bodies. Also, if you need customization, we can do your logos on the machine screen. Body page, 29 treatment protocol: chronic back pain, degenerative joint ankles, plantar fasciitis, tennis elbow, hip pain, neck pain. In total, 29 treatment protocols. You can find the conditions you want. After you click one of the conditions, please send a picture of the pain point and the area you want to treat. In the right side, we have some treatment recommendation: intensity, frequency, shock waves, application, and sections, all present at the right corner of the machine screen. It also will be present at the therapy page. After you click one of the condition, the preset parameters will follow by the therapy page. Also, if you don't want to follow these parameters, you can manual the frequencies, energies, and weight. Intensity, the range of adjustment is 5%. Energy from 5% to 100%. Frequencies is 1 to 10 Hz. Shockwave have different options like 100, 500, and 1000. Normally, it's between 500 to 1000 for a treatment. And the shockwave handle also can change the parameters. For example, this is the increase button. Yes, you can change the energies by the handles, decrease or increase. And the last one, this is the stop button. Let me show you how to use this machine. First of all, we need to apply gel. And then choose the body part. Find the part you want. Yes, you can see present pictures of our treatment area and recommend it. The recommend parameter of waist parts is intensity 25, frequencies 4 Hz, and shocks about 500 shocks. And here you can start click and increase the water level. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, you can see the water level is much more higher than before, and click the start button of it. And during the treatments, you can increase or decrease the energy. I can feel the energy penetrating my muscle. It's a very precise point, but very comfortable. It's deep, and my bones can feel it. And remember the trigger point. We need to treat the trigger point, and around the trigger point also have about 500 shocks. If you do a treatment in this week, once a week or twice a week, that is enough. If you're interested in